if integral 4 e power x six e power minus x divided by 9 e power x minus 4 e power minus x dx equal to ax plus b log 9 into e power 2x minus 4 plus c value of a b c. Differentiating on both sides with respect to x, the integral will get cancelled. 4 into e power x, 6 into e power minus x, 9 into e power x minus 4 into e power minus x. Right hand side we have a plus b into 1 by 9 into e power 2x minus 4 into 18 log x, that is 1 by x. Further it should be differentiated 18 e power 2x. That's it. Four e power 16 e power 9 e power okay. Log 1 by 'So here e power x dividing by here a plus 2, this will be cancelled 2, b e power x into e power x divided by 18b e power x into e power x divided by, if you take e power x in common, 9 e power x minus 4 e power minus x. This will be cancelled. So 4 e power x plus 6 e power minus x divided by 9 e power x minus 4 e power minus x equal to a into 9 e power x minus 4 e power minus x plus 18b e power x whole divided by 9 e power x minus 4 e power minus x. So 4, these two terms get cancelled. 4 e power x plus 6 e power minus x (9 a e power x minus 4 a e power minus x plus 18b e power x 9 e power x into a plus 2b minus 4a e power x. Here 4 e power x plus 6 e power minus x. Comparing e power x and e power minus x on both sides, 9 into a plus 2b equal to 4. Minus 4a equal to 6. Which implies a equal to minus 3 by 2. A plus 2b equal to 4 by 9 minus 3 by 2 plus 2b equal to 4 by 9. 2b equal to 4 by 9 plus 3 by 2, 18. Plus 12, 20 by 18. A equal to minus 3 by 2. Nine a plus 18b equal to 4. 9 into minus 3 by 2 plus 18b equal to 4. 18b equal to 4 plus 27 by 2. 35 by 2. B equal to 35 by 2 into 1 by 18. So 35 by 36. So A equal to minus 3 by 2, B equal to 35 by 36, C can take any real value. Next one, integral root cos 2x by sin x. So we know the formula. Cos 2x equal to cos square x minus sin square divided by sin x dx, root of cos square x minus sin square divided by sin square x. If you bring sin x inside the root, sin square x equal to cos by sin square so cos square x minus 1 dx. Cot x equal to secant theta. Minus cosecant square x dx equal to secant theta tan theta. Dx equal to minus secant theta divided by cosecant square x, that is 1 plus cot square x. So dx equal to minus of by 1 plus cot squared x, that is secant squared theta. Therefore I equal to integral secant square theta minus 1 minus of secant theta tan theta divided by 1 plus secant square theta d theta. So this is equal to tan theta minus secant theta into tan theta divided by 1 plus secant square theta d theta. Minus secant theta tan square theta by 1 plus secant square theta equal to minus secant theta tan square theta divided by 1 plus 1 by cos square theta. Minus 1 by cos theta sin square theta by cos square divided by cos square theta plus 1 by cos square theta. This cos will be cancelled. Minus sin square divided by cos theta into 1 plus cos square theta. 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos square theta. Equal to minus of 1 plus cos square theta minus 2 cos square theta, adding and subtracting cos square theta. Here cos theta into 1 plus cos square theta into d theta. So minus one plus cos square theta divided by cos theta into 1 plus cos square theta into d theta minus minus plus 2 into cos square theta divided by cos theta into 1 plus cos square theta minus 1 by cos theta secant theta d theta plus 2 into cos theta by 1 plus cos square theta d theta. Equal to minus log modulus of secant theta plus tan theta twice cos theta d theta divided by 1 plus, in place of cos square you can write 1 minus sin square theta. Equal to minus log secant theta plus tan theta plus 2 into cos theta divided by 2 minus sin square theta into d theta. T equal to sin theta dt equal to cos theta d theta. Equal to minus log secant theta plus tan theta integral dt by 2 minus t squared plus 2 into dt by root 2 whole square minus t squared. Minus log secant theta plus tan theta 2 into 1 by 2a, that is 2 into root 2 log a plus x, that is root 2 plus t divided by root 2 minus t plus c, since integral dx by root of dx by a squared minus x squared equal to 1 by 2a log modulus of a plus x by a minus x plus c. So this will be cancelled. Minus log secant theta plus tan theta plus 1 by root 2 log root t plus sin theta by root 2 minus sin theta plus c. So we have taken cot x equal to secant theta. tan theta equal to root of secant theta minus 1, that is cos square x minus 1. So sin theta equal to cos theta equal to secant theta equal to cot x, cos theta equal to tan x, sin theta equal to root of 1 minus cos theta, that is 1 minus tan square x. You substitute these values here. So I equal to minus log, in place of secant theta you have cot x, in place of tan theta you have cot square x minus 1 plus 1 by root 2 log root 2 plus, in place of sin theta, root of 1 minus tan square x root 2 minus 1 minus tan square x plus c. Next one, integral root of 1 minus root x by 1 plus root x dx. We take I. X equal to cos square theta, dx equal to 2 cos theta sin theta d theta. I equal to root of 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta to cos theta sin theta d theta. So I equal to 2 sin square theta by 2 2 cos square theta by 2 d theta. Integral sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 2 into in place of sin theta we can write 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 into cos theta d theta. This cos theta by this cos theta will be cancelled. So I equal to 2 into 2 sin squared theta by 2 into cos theta theta. 2 into, in place of 2 sin squared theta by 2, we can write 1 minus cos theta into cos theta d theta. So dx equal to here minus 2 we will have here minus, here also minus. If we take x equal to cos theta, dx equal to 2 cos theta into minus sin theta, the minus is here. Minus 2 cos theta minus cos theta d theta. Minus 2 integral cos theta minus one plus cos 2 theta by 2 minus 2. If you did cos theta sin theta, you take 1 by 2 in common. Integral d theta equal to theta. Integral cos 2 theta equal to sin 2 theta by 2 plus c. Minus 2 sin theta theta plus 2 sin theta into cos theta by 2 plus a. This will be cancelled. So we have taken x equal to cos square theta root x equal to cos theta, theta equal to cosinus of root x, sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta, sin theta equal to root of 1 minus cos square theta, that is root of 1 minus x. Therefore, I equal to minus 2 into, in place of sin theta, root 1 minus x. Minus into minus plus, this will be cancelled. Theta cosinus of root x plus sin theta root of minus cos theta root x plus c. Next one. Integral cos 2 theta log cos theta plus sin theta cos theta minus sin theta d theta. So u equal take log cos theta plus sin theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta. So du by d theta equal to, even this can be written as log of cos theta plus sin theta minus log of cos theta minus sin theta. Log m minus log n, here u. Du by d theta equal to 1 by cos theta plus sin theta minus sin theta plus cos theta. 1 by cos theta minus sin theta for cos theta minus sin theta for sin theta cos theta. So du by d theta equal to the denominator cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta, cos square theta minus sin square theta. Here cos theta minus sin theta the whole square plus, if you take common, this will become plus sin theta plus cos theta the whole square. So this is equal to cos 2 theta, a plus b into a minus b, a plus b whole squared plus a minus b whole squared twice a square plus b squared 2 into cos theta plus 2 by cos 2 theta, that is 2 secant 2 theta. 2 by cos 2 theta, it's okay. So that if you take u equal to log of cos theta plus sin theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta, du equal to 2 by cos 2 theta. dv cos 2 theta d theta implies integral dv equal to integral cos 2 theta d theta, v equal to sin 2 theta by 2. Integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. So I equal to u log cos theta plus sin theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta, that is u v sin 2 theta by 2 minus integral v du sin 2 theta by 2 v du 2 by here we have d theta. So equal to I equal to sin 2 theta by 2 log of cos theta plus sin theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta. This will be cancelled, minus integral tan 2 theta theta equal to sin 2 theta by 2 log of cos theta plus sin theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta minus 1 by 2 log secant 2 theta plus c. Integral x square dx by a plus bx the whole square. You take a plus bx equal t, b into dx equal to dt, dx equal to dt by b, bx equal to t minus a, x equal to t minus a by b. So I equal to, in place of x square we can write t minus a by b the whole square divided by a plus bx t, that is t squared. In place of dx we can write dt by b. So 1 by b, 1 by p squared, t minus a whole squared divided by t squared into dt. So I equal to 1 by b cube t squared plus a squared minus 2at divided by t squared into dt. So 1 by b cube 1 plus a square by t squared minus 2a by t into dt. One by v cube t minus a square by t minus 2a log modulus t plus c. T equal to a plus bx minus a square by t, a plus bx minus 2a a plus bx plus c. If integral tan x 1 plus tan x plus tan squared x dx equal to k by root a x minus k by root a, tan is of k tan x plus 1 by root a plus c. K comma a is equal to 2 comma 3 2 comma 1 minus 2 comma 1 minus 2 comma 3. So I equal to tan x by 1 plus tan x plus dx. 1 plus tan x plus tan squared x So adding 1 plus tan squared x and subtracting 1 plus tan squared x. If we divide this term, this will be cancelled. Just dx minus del 1 plus tan squared x divided by 1 plus tan x plus tan squared x dx. This is x minus secant squared x 1 plus tan x plus tan squared x dx. T equal to tan x, dt equal to secant squared x dx. So I equal to x minus dt divided by 1 plus t squared. X minus dt by t plus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 4 plus 1. X minus dt by t plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 4. X minus integral dt by t plus half whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square. So x square plus a square, x minus 1 by a, 1 by root 3 by 2, tan s of x by a, x by 1 by 2, root 3 by 2 plus c. So I equal to x minus 2 by root 3 tan s of 2x plus 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2 plus c. This will be cancelled. X minus 2 by root 3 tan s of 2x plus 1 by here we have t. In place of t we have taken tan x. 2 tan x 1 by root 3 plus c. So compare with the answer. A equal to 3, K equal to 2. A comma K, 3 comma 2, or K comma A, 2 comma 3. So option is correct. So we have seen many methods. You have to go through all types we have discussed, go through all formulae. With this we conclude this chapter. Thank you.